Welcome to part 57 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning the past continuous tense. It's also called the past progressive. We use it for actions that were in progress in the past. The structure is was or were plus the ing form. I was sleeping, they were eating. There are three main ways to use the past continuous. First, for actions interrupted by another event. I was sleeping when my phone rang. Sleeping was already happening. Then the phone rang. She was cooking dinner when the power went out. We were walking when it started raining. Notice the pattern. Past continuous when past simple. Second, for setting the scene in a story. It was a dark evening. The rain was falling. A man was standing alone at the bus stop. The past continuous creates atmosphere and background. Third, for two simultaneous actions in the past. While I was studying, she was watching TV. They were arguing while I was trying to sleep. Use while with two past continuous verbs. Now let's look at a common mistake. With stative verbs, don't use the continuous form. Stative verbs include know, love, believe, understand. I was knowing the answer is wrong. Say I knew the answer. Let's recap. Past continuous for interrupted actions, for scene setting, for simultaneous past actions, and use when and while to connect clauses. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.